Today's topic will be Introduction to Accounting Principles and Concepts. Welcome to Accounting Arts. In this lecture, we will explore the fundamentals of accounting, including its definition, purpose, and importance in decision making. We will also delve into key accounting principles such as Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP, and International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, as well as essential principles like accrual basis versus cash basis, revenue recognition, matching principle, historical cost principle, and going concern concept. Throughout the lecture, we will provide practical examples to help you grasp these concepts effectively. Let's begin. We are new in YouTube. Please request you to all subscribe our channel and like and hit the bell icon so you will get notification for our new videos. Also please share our videos. Thanks. Let's begin with our first lecture. What is accounting? Definition and purpose. Accounting is the systematic process of recording, summarizing, and analyzing financial transactions of a business or organization. Its primary purpose is to provide relevant financial information to internal and external stakeholders, aiding in decision making, resource allocation, and performance evaluation. Importance in decision making. Accounting helps managers make informed decisions by providing financial data on costs, revenues, and profitability. It enables investors and creditors to assess the financial health and performance of a company before making investment or lending decisions. Government entities utilize accounting information for taxation purposes and economic planning. We will discuss some examples for what is accounting. Example 1. A manufacturing company maintains accounting records to track its revenue, expenses, and assets, allowing managers to assess profitability, manage costs, and make informed decisions about production and resource allocation. Example 2. An individual uses personal accounting to keep track of their income, expenses, and savings, helping them budget effectively, manage debts, and plan for future financial goals. Title: Introduction to Accounting Principles and Concepts. We will discuss some examples for importance in decision making also here. Example 1. Investors analyze a company's financial statements, such as the income statement and balance sheet, to evaluate its financial health and performance before deciding whether to invest in its stocks or bonds. Example 2. A company's management reviews financial reports to identify trends, assess the profitability of different product lines, and determine whether to expand operations or cut costs in specific areas. We will discuss accounting principles. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. GAAP is a set of accounting principles, concepts, and standards widely used in the United States. It ensures consistency, comparability, and transparency in financial reporting. We will discuss some examples here so that you guys can understand really well. Example 1. A publicly traded company follows GAAP guidelines when preparing its financial statements, ensuring consistency and comparability with other companies in the same industry. This allows investors to make meaningful comparisons and evaluate investment opportunities. Example 2. A company adheres to GAAP principles when valuing its inventory, recording it at the lower of cost or market value to provide accurate information about the company's assets and potential losses. International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. IFRS is a globally recognized set of accounting standards used by many countries outside the United States. It promotes uniformity and facilitates international financial statement analysis and comparison. We will discuss some examples here so that you guys can understand really well. Example 1. A multinational corporation prepares its financial statements according to IFRS standards to facilitate consistency and comparability across different countries. This enables investors and stakeholders from various regions to analyze the company's financial performance. Example 2. A company that operates in a country that has adopted IFRS standards reports its financial results using the same accounting principles as its global counterparts, allowing for easier consolidation and financial analysis. Key principles. Accrual basis versus cash basis. Accrual basis recognizes revenues when earned and expenses when incurred, regardless of cash inflows or outflows. Example: a company records revenue when it delivers goods or completes services, even if the customer has not yet paid. Example 1. A software development company records revenue when it completes a project for a client, even if the payment will be received in the following month. This adheres to the accrual basis, recognizing revenue when it is earned. Example 2. A small retail shop records revenue only when it receives cash from customers, regardless of when the sale was made. This follows the cash basis of accounting. Cash basis. Cash basis recognizes revenues and expenses only when cash is received or paid. Example: a small business records revenue only when it receives cash from customers. Revenue recognition. Revenue recognition principle states that revenue should be recognized when it is earned and realizable, regardless of cash receipt. Example: a software company recognizes revenue when it delivers a product to a customer, even if the customer pays later. Example: a retail store sells gift cards and recognizes revenue when the gift card is redeemed for merchandise. Matching principle. The matching principle states that expenses should be recognized in the same period as the revenues they help generate. Example: a manufacturing company records the cost of raw materials used to produce goods in the same period as the related sales. Example: an advertising agency recognizes the cost of producing a commercial in the same period as the revenue generated from the client. Historical cost principle. The historical cost principle states that assets should be recorded at their original cost, regardless of market value. Example: a company records its land at the cost it paid to acquire it, even if the market value has increased over time. Example: a manufacturing company records its machinery at the original purchase price, even if its current market value is different. Going concern concept. The going concern concept assumes that a company will continue to operate indefinitely unless there is evidence to the contrary. Example: a company prepares its financial statements assuming it will continue to operate and fulfill its obligations. Example: investors assess the long-term viability of a company based on its ability to generate future cash flows. Conclusion. In this lecture, we explored the definition and purpose of accounting, emphasizing its importance in decision-making. We also introduced the Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP, and International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS. Additionally, we discussed key accounting principles, including accrual basis versus cash basis, revenue recognition, matching principle, historical cost principle, and going concern concept, providing practical examples for each. Understanding these principles will lay a strong foundation for your journey in accounting. Stay tuned for more lectures on advanced accounting topics.